just rained out here, so MeeMee is not happy. Right, Mama? It didn't really rain, it just drizzled a little bit. We're not gonna be out here too long. It's very nice though. The weather's very, very nice. It's warm outside. It's like 50-something degrees. Hi, birdies. But it's very dreary. It's no sun shining. So we're going to walk up to the big park where the pool is at. We're not going in the pool. We're just walking up that way today, just for a little bit, and then we'll make our way back home. Hey guys, there's a lot of birds over here. Sorry I don't have any bird seed.